And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Over here hanging out with Elisa right now because I was watching last night and Beth was very busy in this weather lab, right? And I know you were monitoring all that at home. Just some incredible stuff that ripped through the Ozarks, huh?
A lot of storms that we had supercells with very large hail and some damaging winds moved through part of the area, mainly to the south and east of I-44. We got this really cool drone video.
Yeah, let's take a look at that.
Out of Taney County. So you can see it's coming over Rockaway Beach. Those docks there kind of knocked around. They were in a straight line. You could see them kind of touching there, kind of knocked around. Some of the debris from roofs that were on land were also in the water.
So the blown off, and then also we had the hail too coming down.
Right, yeah, really large hail. You can see some of that wind damage across Rockaway Beach, Taney County. See that red thing right in the middle of the lake? We think that that was part of the roof. You see the other roofs that were red, right? So we think that was part some damage there that was just shown in the lake.
Take these warnings seriously, huh?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. These storms yesterday, again, they had very large hail, damaging winds. We had an isolated tornado threat, but no tornadoes confirmed. And that storm that was in Taney County, you're looking at the storm damage, but we also had very large hail with that storm as well, up to tennis ball size hail in Rockaway Beach, right where all that wind damage was. Here's some more wind damage from Shadow Rock Park. That tree fell onto the outbuilding and completely damaged that there. So here are the storm reports from yesterday. Again, they were mainly to the south and east of I-44 because that's where we had the most ingredients for severe weather, just as we were anticipating. Look at all the hail reports in Taney County. Again, we were looking at video of the wind damage, but that hail cluster, that hail core with that thunderstorm, that's where that tennis ball size hail came from. We also had a report of wind damage near Tecumseh. A tree fell on a doghouse, and unfortunately the dog was inside the doghouse and it did kill the dog. So we have a report of an animal fatality, and flooding was a concern this morning and continues to be a concern in rural areas where there's those rivers, and they continue to swell and overflow. The rainfall was heavy, very localized though. Not everyone saw heavy rain, but southern Howell and Ozark counties got excess of 3 inches of rain, and there was some residual flooding concerns there this morning as well. Right now, clean sweeps on the radar. That flash flood warning will expire here within the next 4 minutes. 85 degrees right now in Springfield. Very warm already this midday and soupy. Look at this, makes your skin crawl. These dew points over 70 in a lot of the area. That's a very yucky feeling. It already feels like 90 degrees in Springfield. It already feels like 97 in Joplin and 99 in Monette. So heat index values only going to increase as we head through the day today. We're going for a high of 92. That will feel like 100 with that oppressive humidity out there today. We'll have mostly sunny skies. We could pop an isolated shower or storm because of the heat, but it will be very isolated. Overnight tonight will be mostly quiet. It will be warm and muggy with temperatures in the lower 70s. And then by tomorrow morning, this model isn't doing a good job of showing it, but we'll have a storm complex kind of fire up north and west, and then it's going to try to dip into the Ozarks. And as it does that, we could start out with a wind threat by tomorrow morning. The threat will be weakening and diminishing as it gets here, but we could start out with a couple of storms. Then we'll have sunshine in the afternoon, and then storms could redevelop in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures warm and humid, and we'll have that storm threat later on. If those storms redevelop, we're looking at a slight risk for severe weather, mainly for the eastern Ozarks. This means that some of those storms could be strong to severe yet again. Right now, there's some uncertainties, and we need to tweak this forecast, but it's looking like a low to medium threat, mainly for damaging winds and large hail yet again, with a low isolated tornado threat there. 90 degrees on Saturday. Cooler, low to middle 80s, some relief on Sunday and Monday, 83 on Sunday, Monday 85, and then we're back up into the lower 90s by Wednesday and Thursday. That heat is going to kick again. 92 today, hot and humid. It will feel closer to 100, 72 overnight. Pretty quiet, but some storms are possible by sunrise. 90 tomorrow, scattered showers and storms with an afternoon wind and hail threat. Some relief on Sunday, mostly sunny 83, 85, and nice on Monday. Isolated storm chances next week with the heat. Temperatures back up around 90 degrees.